Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use the sponge brush on short natural hair, mainly for men. Also, I'm going to show you how to style short natural hair, mainly for men, but ladies with short natural hair can also try this at home. I'm going to use an eco styling gel that I prefer. You can use any gel of your choice, and I'm going to use some leave-in conditioning lotion. You can use any leave-in conditioning lotion that you prefer. I'm going to use some sponge brushes, and you can still choose the sponge brush of your choice. So yeah, so I'm going to do my friend's hair, and he has some thick soft hair which is not really hard to work with. So first of all, I'm just going to start off by wetting the hair. He washed his hair before. It's just because the hair got dry, so I have to wet them again because they have to be wet. So I'm just going to apply water all over his hair so they can be wet and be easy to work with. Anyways, it's not really hard as you think, just that you really have to trust the process and just believe in what you are doing and just think of how you want it. Like, think of the final product. I'm not going to use any gloves because I prefer using my hands. Also, he's just my friend. It's not like I'm in a salon or something. So yeah, that's it. After the hair is smoothly wet, just have to be ready for the leave-in conditioning. I just have to comb the hair so I can make sure that the water soak very well, like deep under the hair. Anyways, I'm just going to make sure that the hair is really wet so I don't mess up the process. So after realizing that the hair is wet enough, I just start off by applying the leave-in conditioning lotion, just applying it gently so I just don't mess up the process and all that. And then later on, I just have to comb again so I make sure that the leave-in conditioning lotion goes deep under the hair so it can be easy to style. And yeah, I have to wait for like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and then while I'm waiting on the process I can be combing the hair. I'll comb the hair for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then after 2 to 3 minutes I'll have to choose the suitable sponge brush that I want to use for the hair on the hair, and then I apply the gel. That's how I apply my gel. I actually apply it with my hands. I don't portion. I know I was supposed to line up and just portion the hair, so I apply it gently and all that, but no, that's not how I prefer it. You can do it your own way. Anyways, I just have to add more water because I feel like the hair was a little bit dry. So as you can see that the hair has to be a little bit wet, like it should not be really dry, because if it's dry it will not be able to be hard to be styled. So after you just take your sponge brush and then start with the process, you just move in one direction. You either move clockwise or anti-clockwise, and you, as you can see, 1 minute after starting, or maybe a few seconds, you can see some results and some progress already. Just trust the process, do it gently, be gentle, and just have hope, you know. So it's not really something hard, it's just fun to do. It's really interesting and just more fun, you know. As you can see, I've just been doing it for like maybe 5 minutes and I can see some progress. You just have to have the courage and all that. So yeah. Also, I was asking my friend if he's feeling any pain while I was doing that, but he said that he could not feel any pain, and I think it's more comfortable, just easy and simple to go. Like, You see, if you'll be keeping doing it for the whole maybe 10 minutes or 7 minutes, 8 minutes, the process is will be getting easier and easier, and so the results are also becoming better. It's not really something that you have to like give up on doing, because it's really not discouraging. So I just like the outcome. You see, just have a look at it. I was really having fun doing this. I don't know why, but I just found it fun and just interesting. Anyways, by the way, it was my first time doing it, and it was such a great experience. I was so proud of myself. Just look at how I did it. I just have to like keep leveling it up so it can be looking better and better as the process goes on. So far that's how it looks, and until then I'm just proud of myself, I don't know, I couldn't be proud of myself more, because it was my first time and it's like I got it, and that's exactly how I want it to come out. And yeah, I still have to do a little bit of it just to level it up and just to look more better and better. It's white because of the leave-in conditioning lotion. As the hair gets dry, the leave-in conditioner will soak in and it will not be looking white anymore. The hair will probably get dry after maybe 20 minutes or 25 minutes. It depends on the texture and on how wet the hair was. I'm just touching it a little bit to make sure and just to check the leveling up of how the style should be. I'm so proud of myself. I couldn't be proud of myself enough, because I also love the hairstyle, you know that, and it really looks good on him, because it's just an easy to go hairstyle, and it's easy to just carry on and just have it on. I think it's really a good to go hairstyle. It suits everybody and it's easy to make, and yeah, I'm just touching it to make sure that there's a final touch of the final product that I want. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and so that was a tutorial on how to use a sponge brush, or how maybe to style short natural hair using a sponge brush and any styling gel of your choice. I really had fun doing this hairstyle. This is the final product. Please rate my work in the comment section below, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, bye bye.